Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Talent Traders, myself Bala here. And welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing the channel first of all. And those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. In this session, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet. It's about an option scanner tool, which try to find out some options on weekly and monthly as well as intraday. So this weekend, so we are looking at the sheet. On Monday, we are discussing about the update. And this week, so we have a lot of performing stocks in a call side, and also we have some stocks in a put side. So that we are going to discuss in this video. And how to use it. Already we made a content on our website. So how to use the Google Sheet also available. So if you wish, you can take, and if you want to purchase, you can purchase this. And IOC is the topmost stock, and idea it given you such a good result, but we are not going to plan as per our advanced option strategy because it is low value and a high lot size. More than 80,000 is the lot. We are not going to focus. And DLF is the one more stock that was giving you such an opportunity. This is what a trade which we are looking for Monday to Friday. Even PFC, I think 2 days back, that got triggered. PFC 237.5. So for just check that when it given you the opportunity. In the 15 minutes, I'm going to open with the 15 minutes. So it's a 15-minute chart. And even here is the entry around the 15.7. When did we get a 15.7? Maybe today. On weekly opportunity. On 2nd November, I think the 3rd number, it was not an active. 15.7, maybe at this point, it is a gap of one. Okay, so simply ignore it if any stock which opening by the gap up. And after 9:30, we are looking for an Z list 25 to 28. So here in this tower, that was looking yesterday. Yesterday entry, it was given you the entry opportunity. In this tower 167.5. It's a real trade opportunity which we got it around 12, and this is what an yesterday's opportunity. Around this point, we got a entry on 1st of November. Within 2 days, now it is trading around 24. And now while we are placing the order, it was on liquid, but right now in 2 days, it is deep in the money, so it doesn't have a volume and not a liquid. But we have the chances to exit if we are taken. And BPCL yesterday and DLF, and these are all the things, but we are not going to plan on this much of stock, which given you the entry almost 18 to 20 stocks. We are going to plan one or two quality and good stocks from the list for a positional basis. And put side, Petronet is the beginning, and Jindal Steel also we are looking. And IDFC 6.3, and it went up to 8 plus, and now finally settled with 7. And M&M Finance. So these are all the weekly opportunity which triggers entry based on our advanced option strategy. So this weekly and monthly positional which is working based on our positional concepts, positional strategy, and we find out this as a scanner to find the entry opportunity. And someone were asking about the scanner which are having a volume. So that is also I'm planning to give you the volume that will be available soon. And monthly positional, so this month is started within 2 days. So we have a lot of stocks in this list, IOC, Idea, and Sriram Finance, and Lalpath, VEDA. So a lot of opportunities which is happening on IOC 90 call option. Let me check this IOC 90 call option when it is triggered. So here is the 1st of November. Our entry point should be around 4.4. So that was happening at this point. Okay, so 4.25. So here is our entry point 4.9, and then it came down to 4.8. Again, this is also not given you the opportunity. Only weekly it given you the opportunity. At a high made 4.25, but next trade opened by the gap up, that is 2nd November. So we are not looking at exactly that entry point. Maybe in the first candle, so we are not going to take it. But it started and initially it moves down and then return back. Someone who tried, but as per the concept, it is a gap of one. So simply avoid an idea. We are not going to focus. Sriram Finance 1880. So this is about a monthly concept. So 1880, 84, and our entry point is 93.5. Again, this is a gap up from 1st November 93. Started with gap up and moves higher towards 144. That is also be a gap up. And a Lalpath Lab, OB Reality. So I think OB Reality, which looks trigger on our intraday, that like positional trade at our real time, but it is a low liquid VDL 217.5. VDL 217.5 is one more opportunity. That was an entry point should be 13. Here is about 14.8. That 14.8 got triggered on yesterday around 2 o'clock, and today by the opening itself it went up to 20 so nearby our target. So this kind of trade which you are looking, and Apollo Hospital maybe gap up today. In Godrej Properties and Invest Tower 15.1 trigger and 15%. In Granulars DLF that got triggered today, and PFC also triggered on the higher level, but the premium is high. So these are all the stocks which triggers on a call side, and something like Jindal and India Mart. Jindal, I think, gap up in the opening itself. Again, today it came to the same level. Maybe the put side opportunity. These are, and here we are looking at IOC idea. It's about a call side trigger. So it's about a scanner. We are not going to take all the stocks where it is given the entry, but from this list which satisfied our conditions with our advanced option strategy course. So that only we are going to plan for. So we are not going to focus on all the stocks. But based on this concept, based on this sheet, we can easily find out the trade opportunity. And one more thing which we are looking at an intraday. So by student request, I have just developed. It is work based on the Camarilla R4. So here, how many stock which broken above the Camarilla R4, the stocks will be listed here. So a lot of opportunities. Maybe it is about a purely an intraday. So you need to focus a high liquid and volumeable stock options for an intraday. And from the top list, you can find out an entry opportunity as per your convenience. So once you find out such a kind of opportunity, then you can go for this intraday scanner also. But you need to have some practice to complete this. And if you are doing this, and this also be a intraday volume, so that if I'm looking for a volume, and we can easily find out an open low also one more condition which we can add it in here. And if you added, that would be a better options for this kind of intraday options also. But lot of stock more than 20%, 30%. So from the top list only we can focus for an intraday opportunity. That would be great and better for our trading. So those three sheets, one is an intraday, so another weekly and monthly works based on the concept of advanced option strategy. The remaining, and this weekly sheet is done for this week, and at least more than around 10 stock which moves more than 50%, and almost 12 stocks 40%. So from this list, we are not taking about the 10 to 12 stocks. We are planning one or two for a week. That's good enough. And put side, we have some stocks monthly, which is started within 3 days. We have a lot of opportunity. So maybe from this list, 3-4 opportunity as a positional. So let me look at the next week what is going to happen. And that's about this video. And this weekly sheet is going to be updated by Monday, and the entire strike price and the price would be changed. But monthly still remains same for Monday, still month end, and intraday would be changed for a Monday. So I hope you enjoyed the session, and thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.